back to 20 car. Beneath the veneer of dawn's first light, the 2025 Lamborghini Huracán Concept doesn't merely accelerate, it disrupts the laws of physics. Sculpted like a blade honed in the furnaces of Sant'Agata Bolognese, its exterior is a symphony of aggression and aerodynamics. Razor-sharp creases, dihedral doors that rise like wings, and a rear diffuser that seems to exhale pure velocity. This isn't a car, it's a kinetic sculpture with a pulse. Step inside, and the cockpit feels like the bridge of a starship, albeit one upholstered in laser-stitched Alcantara. The instrument panel is a curved OLED canvas, projecting holographic telemetry that dances at the periphery of vision. The steering wheel, shaped of excess, is a tactile oracle whispering torque vectors and g-forces into your palms. Beneath the carbon fiber skin lies a 5.2-liter V10, now hybridized, delivering 680 horsepower and a 0-100 km height sprint of 2.5 seconds. It's a controlled detonation, a crescendo that drowns out rivals like the Ferrari 296 GTB and McLaren Artura, priced at €280,000. It's a statement of exclusivity, though insurance premiums will sting like a scorpion's tail. Yet, for all its brilliance, the Huracan's ride remains taut, more suited to tarmac than cobblestones. And while its depreciation is slower than most supercars, maintenance demands reverence.